Your smart speaker just got a major upgrade. Meet Alexa Plus powered by Claude AI. Amazon and Anthropic have teamed up to create a smarter, more conversational Alexa. This isn't just about playing music or setting timers anymore. It's about transforming how we interact with technology. Let's dive into what makes Alexa Plus special and how it could change your day-to-day life. For years, Alexa was good for checking the weather, setting timers, or playing your favorite songs. But that's old news now. With Claude AI on board, Alexa Plus is way more advanced. Now you can talk to it like a real person. You can ask follow-up questions, switch topics, and it remembers the context of your conversation. It feels more like a chat than giving voice commands. Claude AI, developed by Anthropic, is known for being smart, safe, and good at understanding complex instructions. So when it powers Alexa, the result is a way smarter, more helpful assistant. This makes Alexa Plus not only more fun to use, but also much more capable of handling real-life conversations. It doesn't get confused when you change the subject, and it remembers what you said earlier, just like a human would. This upgrade makes interactions feel more natural and less like you're talking to a robot. You might even find yourself enjoying longer conversations with Alexa Plus just to see what it can do. Claude is all about helpful, honest, and safe AI. It was built to understand the details of what you're saying and to respond in a way that makes sense. With Claude, Alexa Plus can handle way more than just small talk. It can help with writing, planning, researching, and even creative projects. You can ask it to brainstorm gift ideas or plan a vacation, and it'll ask smart questions to give you better answers. It's like talking to someone who actually listens and thinks. Claude also adds emotional intelligence. If you're stressed or tired, it adjusts how it responds. It can even help you work through tough decisions or give you a pep talk before a big day. This means Alexa Plus isn't just helpful, it can actually be comforting. Claude is designed to grow with you, learning your preferences and adjusting how it helps over time. That's a big leap from the old Alexa, which could only follow simple commands. Now, you get thoughtful conversations and smarter, more useful answers. There's something for everyone here. Content creators can get help with scripts and video ideas. Students can use Alexa Plus for homework and explanations that make sense. Parents can create bedtime stories tailored to their kids. Even older users can enjoy talking to an assistant that actually feels friendly. This kind of smart AI can change how we work, learn, and even relax. Businesses can use Alexa Plus for customer support or as a scheduling assistant. Families can use it to plan meals, coordinate chores, and manage busy schedules. You could ask it to explain a complex math problem or walk you through a science experiment. Alexa Plus can also serve as a language tutor, helping you learn new phrases in real time. And let's not forget how helpful it can be for people with disabilities, offering voice-activated support that truly understands what's being asked. Alexa Plus comes with a new set of features, but it might also come with a price. Amazon could offer it as a paid service, maybe $5 to $10 a month. That might sound like a lot for a speaker upgrade, but it's more than just a voice assistant. It's like having a personal assistant, tutor, and planner all in one. Plus, this subscription model could be the start of a new kind of tech service, AI as a helpful companion. The subscription could include features like custom personalities, premium voice packs, or advanced integrations with smart home tech. It might also allow for cross-device continuity. Start a task on your Echo device and finish it on your phone or tablet. More security options and data privacy settings could be part of the premium package. Amazon may even roll out family plans so multiple users can enjoy a customized experience. The idea here is to offer more than convenience, to offer companionship and support. Safety is a big deal with AI. That's why Claude is designed to avoid harmful responses and stay respectful. When Claude powers Alexa Plus, those same safety features are included. That's important when AI is being used in more personal ways. Of course, Amazon isn't the only one in this space. Google, Apple, and others are racing to improve their own AI assistants. But with Claude, Amazon has made a strong move. Alexa Plus isn't just about keeping up, it's about setting the pace. The collaboration with Claude gives Alexa an edge in understanding tone, emotion, and intent. Other platforms might follow, but this partnership puts Alexa at the front of the pack. It also raises the bar for AI safety and ethics across the industry. With more advanced tools comes greater responsibility, and Claude's design philosophy reflects that. The future of Alexa Plus could be huge. Smarter responses, better memory, and deeper connections with your smart devices are all on the way. Eventually, Alexa Plus might even predict what you need before you ask. It could be less of a gadget and more like a helpful digital friend. This upgrade might not just change how we use tech, it could change how we think about our relationship with machines. We might soon see Alexa Plus helping manage health routines, offering mental health support, or working with other AI tools in real time. Its capabilities will expand as Claude's models evolve, making it one of the most dynamic tools in your home. Integration with other Amazon services like Prime Video, Kindle, or even grocery delivery could become seamless. With time, Alexa Plus may become your go-to for managing everything from entertainment to errands. What would you ask Alexa Plus if you had it? Drop your best question in the comments. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Google VO2.